Unmanned EOL inspection system for stators and assembled motors demo video.
Configurations.
There are two stations. Station 1 Motor Stator Coil Inspection. Low resistance meters used for measuring the resistance of three phases and thermistors. Hipot tester. Final station, end-of-line inspection after motor assembly. DC source, supplying 90 amps, used for motor parameter programming. Low resistance meter, used for measuring the resistance of three phases. Hipot tester. The front of the equipment features the HMI panel and control buttons.
Testing.
The first station is stator inspection. The final station is motor final inspection, and the intermediate stations are for motor assembly. This video only demonstrates the initial and final testing sections. The assembly process is not included. Finally, the parameters will be written into the motor encoder. Finished. Thank you for your watching.